There's something in you that's ancient, that's special, that nobody can replicate, that nobody can take away, that nobody can manipulate, that nobody can change, that nobody can upgrade, update, reinstall, upgrade, or synchronize it into other forms of its original. You are the original. You are the only one. The only one that matters to you. Because you are your blessing. You are the blessing. The blessing is within you. You are the gift of life. As you live life, life unfolds itself to you. And because you are now knowing that life is worth living, it's becoming a gift. Because you've decided to decide. And when you decided on what you're deciding, things changed. It changed so drastically, so quickly, you didn't even realize the shift. You just found yourself in different chemical reactions within your body, mentally, physically, spiritually, and you didn't quite take note or maybe pay attention because you were caught up in the shift, mental shift, blinding you from the fact that you were actually upgrading, and now you've upgraded. But this is only the beginning. This is the beginning of something amazing, something truly worth it, because you've been through a lot. You've seen a lot. You've said a lot. And you were forgotten about a lot. So this time, you gonna have a lot of everything, a lot of respect, a lot of self-worth, high self-value. That is a gift from yourself to yourself. And this gift will bring a lot of abundance to you, to the person that you never thought you would be, but currently living in their skin right now. How does it feel for reaching this milestone, for coming so far, as far as you've come, from everything you've been through? If you look at every single thing that played out, all the events, the trauma, the misery, the embarrassment, the uttermost disrespectful playouts from the people that you loved the most, the people that you expected the best, and the best for you at that time was below normal because you were treated abnormally under normal conditions. Normal conditions meaning that they made it seem normal. You were the problem. You were the wrong one. You were the liar. You were the envious being, the devious, the manipulator, actually the one trying to hold everything together for a lot of people in your life, and you watch them choose a path of envy, a path of resentment, and a part of them unable to balance hope, trust, with a strong sense of discern in knowing who's there for you and how you should value them. Well, that value is finally surfacing. They will see this loud and clear as God puts you on a pedestal for everybody to see what His work is applicable to people like you, the very you that they didn't even see when their eyes gazed upon you. You were invisible, but just tangible for the book, for the record. God will shock your enemies, and they will know that you bless in measures that supersede all their comprehension. It surpasses everything that they could even have thought for of anybody in their life. They will never ever have someone as successful as you becoming in their inner circle, in their very whole lifetime on this earth. You are about to be absolutely, amazingly, astonishingly blessed, for the path you've walked and chose to stick to was not a joke. It was not child's play. You endured a lot. Therefore, you are now worth a lot. So claim this. Know your value. Hit the like button if this resonates within you. And give me a bit of your thoughts as to how this applies to any part of your life, if it does. Thank you for listening. Cheers. Have a good one.